Hello my dear dreamer, tonight you are going on a beautiful journey, a journey into deep relaxation, peaceful sleep and total comfort. As you listen to my voice, your mind and body will learn a wonderful new way to sleep, where your jaw stay loose, your teeth stay relaxed, and your whole body rests deeply. This recording is your special guide to peaceful sleep, helping you every night. And the best part? Even as you drift off into sleep, your subconscious mind keeps listening, absorbing, and making these positive changes stronger and stronger. You love listening to this, and every time you do, it works even better. So let's begin by letting go of the day. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. One more time, breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, let your whole body soften. And one last time, a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your eyelids gently close, feeling heavy and relaxed. Now imagine yourself standing at the top of a staircase, a beautiful soft staircase leading down into the deepest, most peaceful sleep. As I count down from 10, with each step you relax more and more, feeling weightless, floating into sleep. Step 10, sinking into softness. 9, your body feels lighter, more relaxed. 8, floating, drifting, dreaming. 7, letting go of any tightness or tension. 6, your whole face feels soft, your jaw is loose. 5, your mouth feels free and relaxed. 4, your body is sinking deeper into comfort. 3, floating down into deep, deep sleep. 2, feeling safe, peaceful and at ease. 1, deeply, deeply asleep, where everything feels just right. And as you rest in this deep, peaceful sleep, your body is listening, your mind is listening, and you are learning something new. Tonight, your subconscious mind understands that your teeth don't need to clench or grind anymore. Any tension, any stress that has been stored in your jaw, in your mind, or in your body is now dissolving completely. Your jaw is soft and free. Your mouth is relaxed and at ease. Your teeth are resting just like the rest of your body. If anything was causing you to grind your teeth, any worries, any tension, any feelings that you didn't even know were there, it is now leaving your body. Imagine it melting away like mist in the morning sun, disappearing, gone. Your body and mind now know a new way to sleep, where your teeth stay still, your jaw stay loose, and your whole body rests deeply and peacefully all night long. From this night forward, your subconscious mind is rewiring itself with powerful, positive suggestions. I sleep deeply and peacefully every night. My jaw stays soft and relaxed while I sleep. My teeth rest comfortably all night long. Any stress I feel during the day simply melts away at night. I wake up refreshed, calm, and happy. These words are sinking in deep into your subconscious mind. Even as you sleep, Your mind is looking onto these new powerful beliefs, and every night they become stronger. Every night your body remembers how to stay loose, relaxed, and free. As you sleep deeply, your mind is working in the most wonderful way, gently sorting through anything that may have bothered you during the day. Your subconscious is incredibly wise, always finding the best answers, the easiest solutions, and the most inspiring ways forward. While you rest, your mind is calmly organizing everything, letting go of what doesn't matter, and bringing you fresh, new insights. You don't need to force it or figure it out, because your mind already knows how. When you wake up, you will feel lighter, clearer, and more confident, knowing that solutions are coming to you easily, naturally, and at just the right time. And as you move through your day, you trust in your own voice, your own needs, and your own choices. You are free to express yourself with confidence, knowing that what you feel and what you want truly matter. You communicate with ease and assertiveness, always feeling safe and strong in sharing your thoughts, your needs, and your preferences. You rest assured that expressing yourself does not harm others. It simply allows you to stand in your truth, to be seen, to be heard, and to be valued. And the more you trust in your voice, the more others listen, respect, and respond to you in the most positive way. You are deeply loved, loved by your family, loved by your friends, and most importantly, loved by yourself. You feel this love surrounding you like a warm, gentle embrace. It fills you with comfort, security, and a deep knowing that you are enough, just as you are. Every day, your love for yourself grows stronger. You appreciate who you are, and you honor your uniqueness. You treat yourself with kindness, compassion, and respect. And as you do, the world around you reflects this love right back to you. You are worthy of love, respect, and happiness, and you welcome these beautiful things into your life with an open heart. Now you can let go completely, drifting deeper into sleep, allowing your body to heal, restore, and recharge. Your teeth are resting, your jaw is calm, your entire body is floating in perfect peace. If you ever start to tighten your jaw at night, your subconscious mind instantly remembers these words: relax, let go, be free. And just like magic, your jaw stays soft, your teeth stay still, and your sleep stays deep and beautiful. As you listen to this each night, your sleep improves more and more. Your body listens, your mind listens, and soon this new way of sleeping becomes completely natural. You are safe, you are peaceful, you are free. And now you can simply drift deeper and deeper into the most restful, healing, and restorative sleep. Sleep well and wake up feeling amazing, feeling wonderful, feeling refreshed, and ready for the new day with such a happy heart. Good night.